No tax on tips. What is it? How does it work? And who is it for? So the goal of this is to give people who have traditionally received tips before December 31st, 2024, a $25,000 tax break, meaning they can exclude that from their taxable income. This income is still subject to Social Security tax, however, and there are some nuances. And there's a phase-out limit. So if you earn over $150,000 and you file single, then you're phased out of it. Or if you're married filing joint, that threshold jumps to $300,000. It actually goes into effect in 2025. So there's like an additional form that your accountant has to file. Starting in 2026, though, your employer is expected to actually list your tips on your W-2 or 1099. So it's like an employer responsibility thing. This is for like servers, hospitality, bartenders, beauty, content creators, but not all content creators. You can guess which ones have been excluded from this. But even with that, the ruling is still like very vague. Like, who has to audit the content to make sure it's like okay to get this deduction? It's like a little discriminatory if you ask me. My advice is to track all of your tips one way or the other and make sure that your employer is doing so correctly for you in 2026. I would ask about this from the top. And let's stay tuned to see what the IRS wants us to do for content creators who are like on the fringe of this. And follow along for more judgment-free tax help. We have a new client application in the link in my bio.